लेकिन उससे पहले आई थॉट दैट आई विल बहुत एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज पर आपकी तवज्जो चाहना चाहेंगे. व्हेन वी सी फूड दैट वी वांट टू ईट, वहां पर जब आप नहीं खा सकते हैं, देयर यू किल योर दिल. तो आई थिंक ये भी एक चीज होगी फॉर ऑल दोस पीपल हु आर आस्किंग मी कि when do you kill your दिल. बहुत सारी चीजों के साथ ये भी एक चीज है. बड़ी मुश्किल सी बात लगती है when you know that thankfully बहुत सारे हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट्स अवेलेबल हैं इन द मार्केट में जो ऐसे कामों को बहुत बहुत आसान बना देते हैं. सो आप अगर सोच रहे हैं that your things are going to be easy, especially if you'd like to work on your body, on your health, well, I'm going to introduce you to Ranadeep Moitra right now. उनकी प्रोफाइल बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग साउंड करती है. He is the strength and the conditioning coach, and of course interesting बात यह है that he's also served as the additional fitness coach for the Indian national cricket team, also the fitness coach for the Indian Football Academy, and currently the fitness coach for the national golf team. Let's just speak to Ranadeep right now. Very excited. Ranadeep, good morning.
Good morning. Hi, how are you?
Super nice. I think you're the perfect guy to have on a morning show.
Wow.
Body, mind को strength देने का जो काम है वो इसी show पे किया जा सकता है. I've heard that you've, of course, been a part of the Indian cricket team. You've tried to condition them and everything, right?
Right.
Whom do you think has the perfect strength and body in that cricket team?
In the present team?
Huh.
I think quite a few. I think Shikhar Dhawan.
Okay.
Virat Kohli.
Yes, I was waiting for this.
And there's a guy called Vidhiman Shah.
Right.
I don't know whether you know him.
Of course.
Yeah,
yes.
okay. He is a physical specimen.
वाओ. अच्छा ठीक है, अब इन क्रिकेटर्स को थोड़ा सा कोने में रखते हैं. एक नॉर्मल इंसान जब आपके पास आता है फॉर एडवाइस दैट यू नो हाउ डू यू रियली स्टार्ट योर एक्सरसाइज प्रोग्राम, मतलब वॉकिंग, रनिंग, सीधा जिम में जाके कुछ करना शुरू कर दे, स्विमिंग, योगा, क्या कहते हैं आप उनको? व्हाट्स योर एडवाइस लाइक?
पहले तो मैं उनके असेसमेंट करता हूँ.
ओके.
बाय असेसमेंट इज लाइक जस्ट डूइंग अ थॉरो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ हाउ द बॉडी is working, whether the joints are in full motion, या कोई tightness है, कोई weakness है जो straight away नजर में आता है, because you can't work with an unknown quantity.
सही.
Right? So we try to assess as far as possible. और हम लोग screen का इस्तेमाल करता है. Screen मतलब these are movement screens.
Okay.
Which tell us about any dysfunctions or aberration, physical aberration that may exist in the body. Screen करने के बाद हम लोग को आइडिया लग जाता है कि इनका बॉडी में क्या कमजोरी है, and then we devise an exercise program. So it's very much I would say bespoke or very much custom to each individual.
Right. So you speak to the person face to face, you ask them, and then go through their body as well. अच्छा, आपके हिसाब से बेस्ट फॉर्म क्या है एक्सरसाइज का तब भी?
There's no one best form of exercise.
Right.
Each exercise form has its advantages and its disadvantages. I would say yoga has its advantages, great for flexibility, but there are disadvantages, like it can give you sometimes very unstable joints. It can give you long, weak muscles. Swimming can be pretty bad for posture.
Oh, really?
Long running like marathon also wreaks havoc. So सारे exercise की balance लाने हैं. You have to be a little bit of strength, little bit of flexibility. A true athlete is one who has the combination of everything. So when we train normal people, just recreational people, we ensure that there's balance in the body, because balance is a good thing. When a body becomes too strong or too flexible, or say just cardiovascularly fit but not enough strength, then problems start.
अच्छा, सही. And is there a particular time that you probably fix for a normal person who's never done any kind of exercises in life and is just starting on, तो उसको starting phase में कितना time देना चाहिए per day?
There's no perfect time that you have to have an hour. I think if you have 20 minutes of exercise, research has shown that even 20 minutes of exercise in a day can be beneficial. Sometimes if you don't have 20 minutes in one time, if you do 4 or 5 minute session, that too is useful. If you have 1 hour with you, that's fine. So it's not just all forms work, actually, to be honest.
Perfect. अच्छा, weights को अक्सर we just related to guys that they're going to do muscle building or whatever. औरतों के साथ they're usually reluctant to train with weights.
Right.
क्या कहना है आपका? What's your view like?
Something, actually women need strength training more than men, because women have to begin with less muscle mass and they will lose muscle mass. Now you might think, why does a woman need muscle?
Right.
All the problems that are associated with women later on in life, menopause, uterus health, are related to bone density and overall muscle strength.
Correct.
So training with resistance can help. Even today, would you know that 40% of urban women suffer from osteopenia, osteoporosis in this part of the world?
Right, correct.
And so weight training is extremely useful to combat diseases like that.
Wow, I think it's sounding very, very nice, and बहुत ही energetic लग रहा है कि fitness and a little session with, of course, as Ranadeep describes himself, the strength and conditioning coach can really, really help. अच्छा, आपके parameters क्या हैं? Fit person कौन होता है? 5 चीजें क्या रखते हैं आप दिमाग में?
Right, like I said earlier, that you have to have all the qualities. So I would say strength and flexibility, which goes almost hand in hand. Then I would look at how strong a person is, how flexible the person is. Next, I would look at cardiovascular endurance, to simply put how strong the heart and lungs are.
Right.
If your heart and lungs are not strong and it can't deliver oxygen to your muscles, then your muscles are not of much use. So that's strength, flexibility, cardiovascular endurance. Then I would look at muscular endurance, the ability to work long hours without tiring. And finally, I would look at your body composition, and this is how much fat you're carrying in your body, because fat is a dangerous thing from the point of lifestyle diseases.
Correct.
Okay?
I agree.
So I would say, in short, these 5 things are extremely, if a person has a balance and a combination of all these 5, then the person, and he's good in all these 5, then he's a fit person.
Say, fat is dangerous, I agree, but wo zero figure wala jo concept hai, that's dangerous again, huh?
Yeah, that is true, because by the time you reach that, your bones get brittle, your organs are in trouble. We don't want anybody to have that kind of. We like, let's give you a secret, we like our women curvaceous.
Agree, completely agree. अच्छा, एक और चीज जो आपके प्रोफाइल के साथ लगी है, I was very curious to know more about it. Rehab expert, इसमें क्या होता है? Who's the person who's under rehab?
You know, if you hurt yourself, it's rehabilitating. Rehabilitating an injured body part.
अच्छा.
But you know, I would rehab से बेहतर है prehab.
अच्छा.
मैं सबको बोलता हूँ कि चोट लगने के पहले उसको ध्यान दो.
Correct.
You know, so prehab is also very important. Rehab is getting well after injured. Prehab is ensuring that you don't get injured.
Perfect. ज्यादातर चीजें जो रणदीप मोहित्रा ने अभी कही, I think it sounds sense. Definitely, he's a strength and conditioning coach, and big thank you to you, Ranadeep, for, of course, sharing all that with us.
Thanks a lot for inviting me to your talk show.
Thank you so very much. Bye-bye.